So hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to a Richard Crowd Professional. So we brings back most unique subject which is called most demanded haircut, like bottom layer haircut. So this is initial days is getting increased more and more, and each and everyone wants to be asked into this haircut for to medium and sufficient layers, and which can be look so unique and decent. So that's what we choose these haircuts for one of my models to get it done with a decent and nice finishing looks, and at the same time the clients get something like more official and trendy unique looks. For that purpose we just take a subject as bottom layers. So in this haircut, very simple techniques we going to be use it. The three sections, the fringe going to be separate, and the side sections and back portion at a time we get separate, and that will be mixed. And after that I'm just explain to the help of the comb. You can just see overall the sections, and after that we just going to be start the cut. So let's, before get to dive into the haircut, if you're really new to my video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and every time I bring to such contents, creations and learning tutorial basis as well. So as it is, we took like one length basic. After one length basic we just start to something like bottom layers, step by step, section by section. You can just see then after it. So one length basic, it will be fundamentals which can be helps for to create layers and a lot more things. So after that I'm just picking the center profile, exactly center of the nape area and center of the crown, and after that I'm just taking them towards a bottom at the 65 degree, and rest of the hair going to be merge layers. So that pretty simple. The sections is pretty easy. You can all the hair take together, thin section parallelly, and 65 degree. You can just cut the hair, just slide down the finger, and rest of the hair slightly cut. So that easy to do the bottom layer haircut, and one of the best and my favorite subject for who having with carried something shoulder length hair, hair opens oftenly, and this haircut suits something like straight and medium wavy texture and silky straight hair too, because this is one of the classic techniques to do using after the haircut, which can be visible very decent. See, the section by section we are going to be add the layers, that thin section. After that I'm cross checking, and to that slightly I'll come on this side. So that is the concept which we are using step by step, giving to that layers and according to the requirements and all. So as we discussed, we just starting with offline courses which called a short time period of haircut courses. Whoever looking for offline classes, please let me know in the comments below. We are mentioned in the contact number in the description. Please go there and please contact us for regarding for courses. As it is, we just taking thin section parallelly, we distributing overall the guidelines and giving to it the proper carrying forward with the guidelines, and apart from that just add the layers which help up to the guideline. So that it will be very unique concept which we are using with the bottom layers. It will be one of the best technique. See some like more bouncier look, and after that I'm just cross checking. And finally I'll come to the side portion. The side portion, before start the layer, we're just taking as one length basic. After that stationary guideline, pick from the back, and rest of the hair going to be as it is, merging in the bottom layers. As thin section we are picking, rest of the hair going to be merging in the layers. The last section going to be finished. And after that we are cross checking. After that I'll come to another side with same technique we are going to be use. So finally I pick from the stationary guideline from the back, and rest of the hair going to be merging in the layers. So as it is, you can just see the previous side how we did it, and same things we carrying forward another side too. So ensure we can just follow the guidelines step by step, and each and everywhere getting traveling by the guidelines. So the bottom layers, as you see, in the one of the best techniques and unique haircuts you ever seen before. Something like 90-degree layers, chicken sticks, and round layers and multi layers, and all of them it is something different, their own looks will be comes out, but the bottom layers is pretty much unique, and after that you can just convert them to any kind of layers for a medium shoulder hair, and I'm sure it looks so clean and as better. After that I'm cross checked, and finally we are cross checking with both the sides again. And finally we just coming to the center of the crown, the fringe portion. Fringe portion we just giving you something unique technique, one side settling. The thin section. After that we merging slightly in the layers, a thin section, taking one side overlapping all the hair. And after that I'm just showing with the messy natural layers before blow dry. With help up to the ponytail as well. If finally we're going to be start dry. After that I come to the side section. After that I come to same another side section. So finally we come to the crown portion, the back crown section. Before that, with just long hair, just separating and giving to something, finishing up to the blow dry and the fringe portions, which can be give a clean and nice finishing. So that can be make something more bouncer hair, and the style will be look so unique and masterpiece of the haircuts kind of we can just see. So after that, finally we release the complete of the hair. That you can just see the bottom layer haircut. The layers was flowing something like pretty much clean and nice movement, and you can just see the more bouncier look. So that is a unique look which can be get by only in the bottom layers. So I hope you all are enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you really like my video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. You can just see the from different portions how it will becomes a more bouncer and finishing on the haircut. And that we made something like huge unique techniques after using of a haircuts at all. So by the side by side also is looking clean and neat after that. Then finally we are starting to the giving a texture. The texture, it will be make something clean finishing and carrying something uneven hair also merging in properly on that, and this makes mixture up to the proper finishing on the haircut and long lasting as well. So that is the tricks we are using during of the haircut. So the last two section we're going to be finished. The completely texture will be going to be finished after that, and finally we pick from the fringe section, and after that we are just going to be finished after the texture in that portion as well. So this is my final look up to the bottom layer haircut. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Will we meet up to the next different kind of topic, we will be meet back. Until, take care, and I will see you soon. Will be meet up to the next video. Until, take care and be safe. Thank you.